What you're seeing right now is not just an AI responding, it's an AI sitting with someone. Most systems are trained to answer, but this one is designed to understand. And that difference doesn't come from models, it comes from how you design their behavior. This file, soul.md, is the heart of the empathy engine. Before writing a single feature, I asked one question: how should an AI behave when a human is vulnerable? So instead of prompts, this file contains principles. When to stay in empathy, when to gently shift the conversation, when not to give the advice, when silence is more powerful than words. Even ikkade unnanu, I'm just right here, is not random. It is designed. And the core motto is to not to make the user happy, it is just to make sure that they're not alone in what they feel. That's what the purpose of the soul.md is. Once the core behavior is defined, the next question becomes, how should the AI respond in different human states? Because a person who is hurting and a person who is bored should never receive the same kind of response. This is empathy.md. This mode is activated when the system detects emotional weight. Here, the AI is not allowed to fix things. No advice, no solutions. No, it will be okay. Because in real life, people don't always need answers. They just need to feel heard. So every line here is written to acknowledge, validate, and stay. But staying in emotion forever can feel heavy. That's where stories come in. This mode gently shifts the mind without breaking that feeling. It uses metaphors, simple characters, soft journeys, not to distract, but to heal indirectly. Sometimes the best way to help someone is to not to talk about the problem at all. So I've designed game mode. It shifts attention, brings lightness, and re-engages the mind. But even here, there are boundaries. No overwhelming tasks, no pressure, just gentle interaction. And then there is learning, because clarity can also calm the mind. This mode explains things in a simple, structured way, but never in a way that feels robotic. Even learning has to feel human. Now, all of this exists, but the real intelligence is not in the models, it's in deciding when to move between them. This file, router.md, is where the system reads emotion from the conversation, not just the keywords, but the tone, state, and the change over time. So if the person is still hurting, it stays in empathy. If they start calming down, it gently introduces a story. If they engage, it moves them into interaction. And this transition should never feel like a switch. It should feel natural, and that has been designed in the prompt. Even after all this, how the response is delivered still matters the most. And this file controls the final output. What is shown as text, what is spoken as voice, and how both feel together. Because reading is an emotion, and hearing is also an emotion. And they're not the same experience. So each response is structured carefully to make sure it feels real. So this is not just an AI application, it's a system designed to behave, a system designed to listen, a system designed for human movements. And when my sister said, "You are my true friend," that's when I realized AI should not replace people. It should replace friction and give us more space to be human. Thank you so much.